Hi guys, we are the group 6. Today's video we're going to create rj45 Ethernet cable.
Like a bell cut.
These are the materials to create Ethernet cable. First, we need UTP cable, and a crimping tool, rj45, and a scissor, and a cable tester. So we're going to cut the outer insulator of the UTP cable. After we cut out the outer insulator of the UTP cable, now we arrange them by color: white, orange, orange, white, green, white, blue, blue, green, blue, and white, blue. And the other one is white, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. This code is alternate cross-cover code. After we arrange the color of the crossover code, we straight up this cable so the rj45 fits in well and easy to put in. Now we cut it, but not that too short. After we cut it out, we need to put the rj45. After we put the rj45, we need to crimp it in the crimping tool. We need to crimp it well so it will function well while we test it in the cable tester. Now, we are done creating an Ethernet cable. Now, we test it and see if it works.